Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Azim with Investify.com, and today I just want to do a few things. I want to do a market update, number one. Number two, I want to do a case study on one of our ethical investing positions that we have on our portfolio. And finally, I want to speak about our new portfolio based on cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and some other more exotic ones. So to get started, as you can see, over the past 3 months, our Sharia compliant portfolio has done over 8% return, and alhamdulillah, it's growing. But let's take a look at the S&P 500 and how the market's performing right now. As you can see, again, a very strong uptrend, and we plan on seeing that continue. So the markets are going up, and right now that's the basics. So let's take a look at one of our case studies that I want to look at. As you can see, Groupon has done 55%, KNX has done over 24% since we invested in these. But the one that I'm kind of interested in is actually NTAP. Now, NTAP is one of the companies we purchased at the average price of $42.30, and right now it's at $56.10, and we've seen a 32.62% increase in the value of the stock since we purchased it for our portfolio. Now, what makes NTAP so unique is the fact that it met all of our Islamic Sharia compliant criterias for a solid company. They are a tech company, number one. They have very low debt. They have a really nice market cap, and on base of that, on just the basic information regarding that, we've seen a phenomenal growth in this stock. As you can see, over the past 3 months alone, it's been up about 48%. So the key for each of the stocks and positions we have in our account is basically that we look at the screening that we do on the ethical basis. That does the company meets our needs? Is it something that is innovative, that is helping the world? And most importantly, how's their management looking, and how are their financials looking? And this is as simple as it gets. Once we have that, then we use our algorithms to buy in at the right price, so that we only see a value in rising. Now, what I want to do is switch gears and move to something that's really exciting and a lot of people have been asking about, and that is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to coinmarketcap.com, and as you can see, these are all the different kind of cryptocurrencies that are out there: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, IOTA, Dash. What I want to take a look at is, obviously I'm a big proponent for Bitcoin as I've been in it for a while, but let's take a look at WorthCoin. Now, WorthCoin is currently at $8.39. It's up 5%, which is great. Their market cap is $350 million, and this is the chart year to date. You can see that it went from being very low down here to just rising exponentially, and that's the thing, right? So you could have, let me see if we can do log scales. Yes, so with the log scales you can actually do pricing here. So since January, it has gone from being worth 3 cents to over $8.30. And you may ask, why am I talking about this? Because this is one of the companies that we have been invested in at the rate of 5 cents. So we have seen over 100 times return, but it goes beyond that. It is our conversations with the founders of this company, and this is why I like CoinMarketCap, because if you come here and choose the website, right, it takes you to wordcoin.org, and it tells you what the company is about. So it's, just sending money between people. You don't need a middleman. Just something that this whole idea of blockchain is based on is that you can do payment remittance without needing a third party to do an agreement for you. But what makes this company more specific is the team behind it. And that's where we have really done our research, because these are early stage startups that are based on the concept of socially responsible industries and companies, right? So it's sometimes really difficult to gauge what's happening, but it's actually the team. The team has been the one that we've been keeping an eye on, and since it was below $100 million market cap, we had been investing, and just in a few months we saw it go from a few cents to literally over $8 a share. And this is what's possible within the cryptocurrencies market, and which will be possible because you now have the same opportunity that a venture capitalist has, who is in Silicon Valley investing in companies like Snapchat in its first round for like $15,000, and a few years later that was turned into over 20 million. Well, I think you can do this much more quickly with cryptocurrencies and with much more effectiveness, and that's where we are headed. Inshallah, we plan on launching our own service to focus on socially responsible investing within cryptocurrencies, and inshallah we also plan on launching perhaps a fund, but we'll see how that goes. So just a few things. I know there's been a lot of things that we've been discussing in this video, but I wanted to show what the market is doing, a case study of NTAP, a great software company that met all of our Islamic criterias, and the exciting space of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and taking a socially responsible approach. If you guys have any questions, just message me or check us out at investify.com or investify.com/Bitcoin. Alright guys, have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.